At Hull University Health Board, we're at the early stages of our arts and health journey. We've been having a conversation with artists, health professionals and members of the public about creative prescribing, or arts on prescription. Creative prescribing is a way of connecting people with the arts to help people to better manage their own health and well-being. It's built on the growing evidence base that activities such as singing, dancing, craft or reading a good book boost our mood, connect us with others and improve our well-being. We've been asking what's needed to better connect people with the arts in their local communities through a series of cafes, residencies and projects.
Today we've had a group of people come together to discuss creative prescribing in Pembrokeshire.
It helps with mental health issues, physical health issues, reconnects people's community, they can make friends, just improves the general well-being really, and gives them activity and a purpose and sometimes a passion.
I fi wedi bod yn gweithio eitha lot gyda pobl mewn tair henoed, pobl gyda anableddau a pethau ffordd na. Mae yna gwell canlyniadau I ni'n gweld gyda bobl o rhannu iechyd nhw yn fwy gyffredinol os mae yna siawns gyda nhw o leia I fod yn greadigol.
We're looking at people that may be having issues with something that's been neglected for a long time across the whole of the UK, like mental health issues. Even people just feeling really low and depressed, anxious about just stepping outside their doorstep. Bringing the arts in and teaching them little things, or sitting down like we've done today, have fun, cutting things out, sticking on pieces of paper. It brings together people who may not necessarily have spoken to each other for a while or have never met anybody.
Collaging lends itself really well as an activity, a well-being activity. The act of just simply cutting out, choosing images, sticking them down can really bring you into the present moment and really calm the nervous system down and just gives you the opportunity to just slow down. It's a really lovely offline activity. They were using the vision boards as a tool and a start of a conversation really on where things should go next.
We've had some really, really positive feedback from people that they've enjoyed, that they've had physical benefits, but also that they felt that it's been good for their mental well-being and that they've made friends and social links through it.
By the end of it, it's like they have a sense of empowerment or achievement that they've created something, and that again, it builds confidence and can build self-esteem and things as well.
Looking forward to the next events and all of the other events in this project and looking forward to continuing the conversation. We're looking forward to building all of the experience and the knowledge that we've sort of learned in these sessions and this project into a sort of report that we can give people to try and understand creative prescribing better and try and make recommendations to really try and embed and grow the creative prescribing movement.